ASP.NET. Coding models in ASP.NET. Built-in directory structure of ASP.NET. Application configuration files. 1. Coding models in ASP.NET. ASP.NET provides two main coding models. A. Inline code model. B. Code behind model. A. Inline code model. In this model, HTML and server-side code are written in the same JS ASPX page. Features code and UI are mixed together. Easy for small applications. Difficult to maintain in large projects. Example, less than %response.write. Welcome to ASP.NET. Greater than. B. Code behind model. In this model, the design and logic are separated. A. The SPX file. Right pointing arrow. User interface. HTML. Controls. Da. A. The SPX.cs or da. A. The SPX. VB. Right pointing arrow. Programming logic. Advantages. Clean and organized code. Easy to maintain. Follows object-oriented approach. Example, label1.text equals welcome. 2. Built-in directory structure of ASP.NET. ASP.NET provides special folders to manage files in a web application. Folder purpose: app_data stores database files, XML, and other data. App_code stores common C# or VB classes. Bin contains compiled DLL files. App_themes stores website themes. App_global resources stores global resources. App_local resources stores page-specific resources. 3. Application configuration files. ASP.NET uses special configuration files to control application settings. A. Global.asax. B. Web.config. A. Global.asax. This file is used to handle application-level and session-level events. Events. Application_start. Session_start. Application_end. Session_end. Uses. Start or stop application. Manage sessions. Handle errors. B. Web.config. This file stores all configuration settings for the ASP.NET application. It controls database connection strings, security settings, authentication, error handling. Example, less than connection strings, greater than, less than add name equals DB connection. Connection string equals data source equals / greater than, less than / connection strings, greater than.